Hey guys, what's up? It's another day.
There's just a random balloon.
There's a little. So we are going on a hike today. We are just starting walking and stuff. We're at Mastodon State Park. It's a pretty cool place. We got to see a bunch of historical things, which was really cool. And so yeah, we're going on a hike now. I love being outdoors. I do love being outdoors. Oh, there's like paw prints all over. That's cool. But yeah, I'll show you some. Oh, my nose is going crazy and it's hot. It's like mid-September and I don't like September in Missouri.
Bro, that is
Is it cold?
Yeah. I want to go in it. Stand up.
Okay, that just looks really cool over there. And that's why I like nature. They're like way ahead of me, but I enjoy walking in nature and enjoying it. Because nature is beautiful. Look at that. You can see a highway over there, so don't look that direction. But yeah, 10 out of 10. Guys, it is so pretty. Will my flash help anything? No, it won't. But like, can you see how pretty that is? The video doesn't even do it justice. It is so pretty. Look at all this bamboo that's out here, man. So pretty. So guys, I have a fun fact for the day about bamboo. So actually there is a form of torture that they used for can't remember if it's China or Japan. I think it was China. That a long time ago, I'll like fact check it and put it like right here. But bamboo, someone who had done something wrong or like gotten in trouble, they would lay them on the ground where they had planted bamboo, and like the bamboo shoots would like grow up through them and kill them slowly, but they would kill them. So it was a form of torture. So yeah, fun fact of the day with Savannah. Okay, so funny story. Literally what you saw just then of all that footage was yesterday. And it's actually after church today on Sunday. And I completely forgot to film anything else or even like, oh, we'll see you tomorrow or anything like that. I'm actually still wearing like my church clothes. I have like a 5 head right now. Well, it's still 4. I'm good. But like, yeah, so tonight I actually have a trivia night at my church. We're raising money for missions, and you'll see some of my friends there. Yeah, so if you guys remember any of my friends from the camp out, there are going to be a lot of those friends at my table, and I think you guys will enjoy it. So yeah, let's go.
Number 12.
That's supposed to vlog tonight.
Named for the Roman god of war.
Oh,
What month
I know
was
this.
named for the Roman god of war?
What's August? Augustus Caesar is the emperor. Okay, the Roman god of war. Aries is Greek. March. We've got this.
April.
What month was named?
Are you vlogging? I forgot. I was supposed to vlog this whole weekend for this Wednesday.
Yep. Put it in a proof. Yes.
No.
Some of the angles of a triangle. It's kind of an easy question.
Proofs suck. Do proofs in homeschool?
Oh, yeah.
Yes. We do have to do proofs in homeschool.
Number 14.
Oh yeah.
What typically green chemical found in plants uses photosynthesis to turn sunlight into energy?
Your mom.
What typically green chemical found in plants uses photosynthesis to turn sunlight into
Apparently SpongeBob is the answer to that one.
It is SpongeBob.
It is SpongeBob. Squidward. Gabe called me Squidward for some reason.
Squidward.
Why did he call me Squidward?
Squidward has a long nose. Do you consider you have a long nose? No, you gotta keep.
Yes.
Yeah, so no, you don't have one.
No, why did he call me?
Above your lip.
Why does
Wait, which Gabe? Me, Gabe, or
other Gabe? You guys are having a conversation and Gabe just goes, "Shut up, Squidward."
He's so nice to you.
You're talking about having private conversations, and I was like, "What are you guys talking about? Like being nosy?" And he goes, "Shut up, Squidward."
colors. How many different colors would he be able to use?
Well, I was being.
If Rembrandt were to paint a portrait using only primary
What?
and secondary colors,
What'd you say?
how many different colors would he be
It's
able
only a
to
pretty
use?
trick question. You just mix more colors together to make new.
We are currently beating the table that's behind us. You can see Ben and Aiden from my camping vlog. But like, we're gonna beat their table. White icing?
Yeah, it's like at the bottom.
Oh. I don't even eat chocolate cake, but I got 2 pieces of chocolate cake.
Oh, did you?
Oh yeah. Oh, did you?
Sorry, I forgot that you were.
Yeah, Gabby.
4.5 points.
You're weird.
I don't care.
I don't care.
How many points do you get per dollar?
You're weirder than me. No,
We're both equally
same.
weird.
Alright, you get 4 points for
But
$4.
yeah.
But
Do it.
We've got 2 more rounds of trivia, and it is currently
okay,
6:55. So at 7, I think we start the next one.
You're a 7.
I'm a 7. I'm a 7 out of 10.
okay.
I'm a 7 out of 10. Just kidding.
I don't know if there's dessert on it.
Oh my goodness. I'm gonna have to go through so much of this footage, and I've only filmed like 2 minutes of it.
If I pay $5.
This round is called TV Living Rooms.
We're not looking for the name of the
We're actually in like second to last place. They're losing.
The name of the TV show.
They're losing.
We have 2 categories left.
What is this called?
I got chocolate cake from the table, and I don't know why I did, because I didn't eat it.
So we're gonna look
But
at
Gabby
the
likes
name
it.
of the TV show. You write down the name.
I'm so excited about it. It's Stranger Things, and I went, wow! I'm such a nerd!
No, you're not. That's my favorite.
Dude! I have never screamed that loudly in my entire life. I was so excited.
My favorite.
It was literally dead silent.
Get that season out right now.
I know. I was literally... Because it has like, it has her in the living room with like the letters and everything. Place.
They tripled their score to 31 over to Coming in at 7th is the Deplorables.
We went up. We went up a whole level. What? Wait. Because we're the
Coming in
popcorners.
at number 6. Wait, 6th place? No, that's right. 6th place with 40 is the God Squad.
What? How far up did we go?
Coming in at number 5
5.
is the Popcorners.
What? We came in 5th place. We started out at 7th. Yo. We're still beating them by a lot though. So
Coming in
that's
at 4th
that's good.
place.
How do you have a follow the leader category in trivia?
Number
Don't even
1.
know. I totally just got your shirt, like, whoop. I don't even think your head made it in that one.
What is the name of the undercover secret agent that is also the pet of Phineas and Ferb?
Ooh! Mary the Platypus! My camera girl. So this is a horrible paper plate.
Yep.
Okay, so you take it like this. Yes, and then I'm
Number
gonna
4. Number 4. This 7th U.S. president was a general in the U.S. Army and served in both houses of Congress before landing on the $20 bill. This 7th U.S. president was a general in the U.S. Army and served in both houses of Congress before landing on the $20 bill. I know the $20 bill part kind of.
This is gonna be so much footage to go through.
Savannah, Ben score now.
Hey Ben.
Get him.
Good. Hey, here, throw it back.
Number 5. Number 5. Mr. Clutterbuck is the actual name of the real-life actor who plays Rick Grimes on the show The Walking Dead. What is his more well-known
Okay, that's good.
Mr. Clutterbuck is the actual real name of the
That
real-life
is a true paper airplane. This one is a fake. Look at that. Look at the difference. Look at the difference.
Jackson.
We've been in a paper airplane feud
Andrew Jackson,
now.
who is Mr. Clutterbuck is
Wait,
more
no, this is my old one.
better known as
Wait a second.
Andrew Lee.
Maybe I can do it better this way.
Who is Mary Tyler? Thank you. Who starred in the Mary Tyler Moore Show? Mary
Hold on.
Tyler Moore. Thank you.
Let's set this
Who
up.
made movies like Fahrenheit 9/11? Michael Moore. Who was the bum that joined
Michael
the
Moore?
Birmingham Barons? Michael Jordan. Who was the Cardinals player? Brian Jordan.
Oh.
You're good, isn't it? Look at you, Corey.
You hadn't moved. I would have gotten you in the shoulder.
Who was from the Beach Boys? Brian Wilson. Who was outstanding supporter to the actor? Rainn Wilson. What was the formula of the shampoo?
I'm gonna have a
White
rubber.
Rain.
You got a rubber.
I could not pull Rainn Wilson into that, so I had to go with the shampoo. Sorry.
White Rain.
14. Who was
I'm done
the
with this.
character from Breaking
I'm done.
Bad?
We're all gonna get all wrong. What even were the categories? I don't know. We didn't even pay attention half the time. We just messed around.
So basically, we beat you
Yeah, you did.
by a lot. Yeah, by a lot. Yes, I'm vlogging.
Last time we literally
I
sat
need
there and
something to
threw
close it out.
Like our answers were Dwight Schrute, assistant to the regional manager.
Rainn Wilson.
Assistant to the
That's
regional.
actor.
Do you watch
we weren't
The
even. We were
Office
just messing
often?
around. We weren't even like trying to guess
Oh,
the right
no,
answer.
he was the answer to one of them, though.
Oh, it was.
Yeah, Rainn
Wait,
Wilson was the...
wait. So the ones that you just guessed, you got the answer right randomly, or
No,
did you
we
actually guess those?
No,
No, we didn't. On the last one, we just put random
Whoa,
stuff. We didn't
I
even
thought
try
you-
to get it right.
I thought you thought the...
So we put.
Oh, I thought you said you just did that on all of them.
We just put Dwight K. Oh, we did. We got Michael Jordan right, and we got what was Andrew Jackson
You know
right? Because
Dwight
we
Schrute's
were like, oh wait, hold up, we got 20s, when we all had $20 bills in our wallets, and we were like,
There you go.
it's Andrew Jackson, we're good.
Do you even
So-
know Dwight Schrute's actual middle name?
Dwight K. Schrute.
Dwight.
What
K.
K
It's
stands-
literally just a K.
No, it's not. It's Kurt.
No, it's Kurt.
Dwight, Kurt, Schrute.
I think the
What?
Office is obnoxious.
I don't watch The Office.
It was,
Is he growing on you?
and then
Oh, look,
the only
he's
reason
in
it
the
grew on me
spotlight.
is because
Oh, now
I
he's not.
watched
What
Parks
is
and Rec,
this?
and
Oh.
I watched Parks and Rec, and it was
Thank
so
you,
bad that I loved The Office.
I wasn't allowed to watch Parks and Rec or The Office, and then I watched the first 2 episodes of The Office.
I'm allowed to watch The
The Office is kind of inappropriate, so we skipped like.
So Aiden, question then. What did you think of our airplane feud?
Look at the boys. They broke it all down.
Eh?
That was me.
Aiden's just gonna take all take all of it.
I did do all that.
Oh, good job. Proud of you. Okay, so this is what we're gonna try to hit Ben up there. Okay, pan a little bit. We can see. You're so cocky. You're just. Oh yes!
Still missed. It went like this. It didn't even hit me.
That is just not fair. No. When it works.
It worked, but it still didn't hit me.
You walked out of the house.
Me? So I technically won.
Not really, because I hit you more times.
But I technically hit you with that paper airplane.
You're supposed to hit him like dead on.
Hey, Noah, engage YouTube real quick.
If I miss, this is my left hand. I didn't miss that time. This is not over. This is not over. Okay guys, so it's after the trivia night and I am back home. It is currently almost 9 o'clock. Or it is 9 o'clock, something like that, and I am home now. That was such a fun time. Hope you guys enjoyed watching it. It's a lot of me with my face in the camera like this, so I'm sorry about that, but I hope you guys enjoy it. Hope you guys, if you want to, like, leave a like down below, comment, have you ever played trivia, have you ever done a trivia night before, subscribe if you want to. I don't want to make you guys do anything you don't want to do. Dream all the dreams, and have an amazing day.